Okay, so today I wanted to show you a little bit about adding bright shade areas to a white dog portrait. And I don't know if you can see or not, but I have begun adding areas of blue, believe it or not, to a white dog. Here I've added, it's almost like a powder blue, and here and here and here and here, some in here, and in different areas. And then when I do that, for some reason, to my eye, it tells my brain that I'm seeing white. And I learned about this last night. I was watching a show on TV about the Impressionists, and they were discussing Degas and his paintings of the ballerinas in different areas. Also Monet, who painted a white dress on a woman in bright daylight with shade and things. And the way that the Impressionists did it was by using blue. So I'm trying to do what the Impressionists did, and that's what I've come up with. The colors that I have used are kind of like it's like a mixture of titanium white and phthalo blue and a little bit of light gray. I'll show you on my palette here. So that's the colors that I'm using right now. I've got some grays, but this right here, this is the blue. I'm just getting a little tiny bit on there and then barely putting it on the canvas and then kind of blending it in. I don't know if you can see that, but it kind of makes like bright shade. So that's your tip for today. If you're painting a white dog and you want to create highlights and shadows and stuff, try using blue. And if you're having difficulty determining what colors you're seeing in an image, if you have some kind of a graphic design program that has a color picker tool, load up the picture on your graphic design program, use the color picker tool. It looks like a little eyedropper thing, and click on the area that you have in question. And the color picker tool will isolate that specific color and show you in a little square exactly what color you're seeing. It's very useful. Hope you enjoyed watching today, and please subscribe to my channel and visit me at mariestevensart.com.